Hi my peeps, welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, I'm gonna make a banana bread, but this is Tiona's special banana bread. Delicious and nice. Okay my peeps, so to start off, I have in my mixing bowl 3/4 cups of butter, and I try to go for the healthier butter. I have this one, the basil with a heart on it. It's vegan, so if you don't eat meat, this is good for you, or if you're vegetarian. To my bowl with my 3/4 cups of butter, I'm gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar. You can add half and half with the granulated sugar, or you can use either or. And I'm gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar, and I'm gonna just cream this together. There you go. I think that's fluffy and nice. I'm gonna break my eggs, but I'm gonna break them in a different bowl. And so my peeps, I'm very funny and picky. The chalaza, or the eye, I have to remove it, so please forgive me. That's how I am. That I make the egg or make the mixture raw. So now I'm gonna add my eggs to my mixture. I'm gonna add a little first. That looks good to me. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour right here. In this bowl, I have 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and I'm gonna add it to that. I have about 1/4 teaspoon salt. And this is very nice. It smells so good. I have half teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon nutmeg, and then half teaspoon Jamaican allspice. And I'm gonna mix that in as well. Now, to get everything combined, I'm gonna take a larger size bowl or plate, whatever you want to call it, and my strainer. Guys, it's clean. Don't watch this. It's too much blending stuff. It can't come out. Anyhow, let's get back to the video. Now I'm gonna sieve this. When you sieve it, the mixture will combine, and it also makes the flour a little bit fluffier, and you're mixing at the same time. All right, that means that's supposed to throw it in. Okay. I have 4 like almost overripe but well ripe banana, and I'm gonna add them to my bowl. This is my secret ingredients into my banana bread. I have 1 cup of oats. It doesn't matter what kind of oats, but if you put the oats in it like that, when it bakes, it's gonna be hard. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take, this is the whipping cream, or you can use heavy cream. I'm just gonna use about 1/4 cup or so, and I'm gonna pour it in it, maybe 1/4 to 1/2 cup. Then I'm gonna give it a little bit of mix. I just want it to be softened up a little bit, okay guys? Because I'm gonna mix this in at the end. I'm gonna put this aside and then we will come back to it later. And I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna crush my bananas. Crush them anyhow you like. I think this is just right. Now I'm gonna put that aside. I'm gonna add some oops to it, okay guys? This is the one, or this is the thing that gonna make you Now I'm gonna add a little tip of Jamaican overproof white rum in this, okay guys? It's a secret, okay? You can up it if you like. I'm gonna put about a tip. Woo! Oh my god, that's too much. Anyhow, I'm gonna put about 1/2 cork. That's good enough. I'm gonna throw away the rest. You can put the cork if you want, the whole teaspoon, but I don't want to get drunk, so I put about 1/2 teaspoon in it. Okay my peeps, now I'm gonna spice it up and I'm gonna add some Jamaican rose water. It's good for flavoring your food. And I'm gonna add a cork also. A cork mean, guys, in Jamaica, it means a teaspoon, okay? So if you fill it up to this, it's just a teaspoon. Simple. 1 cork, 1 teaspoon. Depends on the size bottle. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons vanilla. I don't have to measure. I just know it. That's 1 and that's 2. You can measure it if you want. So 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now when you're baking cake, it tends to get raw sometimes. 1, if you don't take the eye out of the cake, the egg, it will get raw. And 2, if you don't put any zest in it, whether lemon, lime zest, or some lime or lemon juice. So I have some ready-made lemon juice. I'm just gonna put a little bit of squeeze in it, just a squirt, maybe about 1/2 teaspoon. And look at that, guys, it's smelling so good. I'm gonna fold in my banana. I just want to go ahead and fold this in. Now it's time to put in my oats. As you can see, the oats, it's now soft. It suck up all that cream. Look at it, guys. Now I'm gonna fold that cup of oats right into it. And now is the best time to put the oats in it, that if some part of the oats didn't get the cream, the juice or the moisture from this will kind of let it soften up a little bit. I'm gonna mix this with my mixer just for a little bit, for everything to combine, and then I'm gonna add my dry ingredients. Now gradually I'm gonna add my flour base to it. You want to do it in portion so it doesn't get lumpy. I want mine a little bit more moist, so I'm gonna go in with some almond milk, and I'm gonna pour about 1/4 cup of that, and I'm gonna give it a little mix. Oh yeah guys, it's smelling amazing. This is just right. This is nice. This is the texture I want. I'm gonna set this aside. Now I have a glass bake pan. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter to grease my pan. You can use oil if you want. I'm gonna layer it, the bottom of it, with a little bit of flour so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And I'm gonna show you how to let it go all over the pan. You just wanna knock it from side to side. And the leftovers, you're gonna just throw it out. It's time to pour my mixture in. Try to put the mixture like half in the pan or 3/4. I think that's good. And the rest, I'm just gonna pour it in this one. So this is it. I'm gonna bake it at 350 degrees for 45 minutes to maybe 1 hour or so, or guys, until whatever you insert in it comes out clear, whether a toothpick or a knife. Once you put it in the middle and there's nothing on it, then it's baked. Okay guys, and after I'm gonna come right back. Yes, so they are all done. I baked them for 1 hour and 10 minutes, and then I leave it for another 10 minutes in the oven just to leave them to cool down and soak a little bit. And let me show you guys, once you insert any sharp edge and it comes out clear, that means it's baked. Okay, so if you do that for an hour and it's not baked, put it back again and continue to test it. Now I'm gonna let them cool down, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks inside. If you want moist, check this out. Look at that guys, look how soft. Can you see that? Wow. So my peeps, this little part comes from the next one. Look how soft and moist this is. Can you see that? Yes. My banana bread with a little bit of oats in it. Oh my. It's super yummy and moist. And guys, you don't want nothing more. This is moist, delicious, yummy. Please remember to love upon my channel, and I love upon you. Check out this recipe guys. Delicious, moist banana bread with a little bit of oats in it. Look at that guys. Yes. It's hot now, and I'm gonna dive into some. Thank you so much my peeps for watching. Have a blessed day.